Well, it's been a long month, but it's finally time for us to get back into some Smash Brothers, and what better way to do that than with a drink? Now, we've been away for a couple weeks, so we might need a little bit of an extra kick to get our motor running. For this drink, we're going to need some Captain, and for flavoring, a bit of orange liqueur. We're going to cut that with a bit of blood orange San Pellegrino, and for that extra burst of energy, let's grab some Red Bull. Now, this time we really want to light a fire under our ass, so let's grab a nip of Fireball as well. As usual, we're going to need a shot glass for measuring, and of course, please drink responsibly. Definitely don't drink and drive. Like, don't be a fucking idiot. Seriously, why do you think James McCloud really isn't around to watch his son become a Star Fox pilot? Anyway, we're going to start with a shot of Captain Morgan, followed by 2 shots of our orange liqueur. Mixing in with that, we'll take 2 shots of Red Bull, followed by our nip of Fireball. As for the San Pellegrino, we're going to cut the entire drink with that in a 1-to-1 measure. What you're left with is something sweet and spicy, tart and full of energy. This is the Falcon Punch. Now you're ready to hit that dance floor and show them your moves.